Hi kids. A, B, C, D, E, 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 A, B, C, D, E,
Now I know my ABCs. Next
A,
time, won't you sing with me?
B,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
C,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
D,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now
A,
I know my
B,
ABCs.
C,
Next time, won't
D,
you sing
E.
with me?
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, A,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
B,
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
C,
Q, R, S, T, U,
D,
V, W, X, Y, and Z.
E.
Now I
A
know
is for
my
apple, B is for ball,
Next
C is
time,
for
won't
cat,
you sing with
D
me?
is for dog, E is for elephant,